As the deputy president of the party, I can safely guarantee that I got shocked when I heard of course, the intents and purposes by my brother, Honorable Norbert running for speakership without having the same debated and generally acceded to by our party. I think we needed to have it given our quick and substantive thoughts, to the extent that we need now to explore what are the normative instruments establishing our cooperation with the NRM. The cooperation agreement itself expires before the election of the speaker. In my opinion, then, we don't have the locus to definitely even vie for positions where the NRM has got an upper hand. Number two, we don't have the membership in the House that can occasion the ability for any of our candidates to win. Now, making sure that all we have to do is to be blessed by the chairperson of the National Resistance Movement, the president of Uganda, if we are to win. The same way we have been winning for Yala and all the other material, of course, positions that we have vied for as a Democratic Party for the last 15 years. The Right Honorable Anita Among, they are, of course, they are serving a peremptory and apodistic kind of practice where they need each one serves 10 years and the other comes in, except if there are exceptions generated, which I don't find with the Right Honorable Anita Among, that can vitiate, of course, the standards generated by NRM historically. I have got the opinion that she has served well. She has managed parliament, and we have not had factions in parliament. We have not had the commotion, higi-haga, and any kurinkum in parliament in terms of passing bills, passing decisions, amending articles of the constitution. We have not seen SFC deployed. So she has managed the parliament in such a way that it has sailed with absolute intent. In my opinion, that must now make sure that we give her the support, we get behind her, that she completes this term of office for intent and to illuminate the future course of both our cooperation and, of course, the House itself. I do not approve of the mechanism with which I think some supporters are leading my president to begin speaking in a manner that is kindly becoming derogatory. When you become derogatory in a campaign where you don't have voters, you become delusional. And in my opinion, I think that would be misguiding my party president. Let him get back. We run our party. We have work to do. And I think let him continue with his role in the executive arm of government than venturing into other arms where I don't find any hopes that we can definitely win. I will be supporting the Right Honorable Anita Among, not as a voter because I'm not in parliament, but I think I will give it my weight, the necessary weight that will, of course, be a contribution for the betterment of our country.